Okay guys, so in this video we're going to go over the guided practice for section 6.3. So I'm going to pull up the visor, that way you guys don't just copy all the answers down, we actually go through it. So it says Bob works at a construction company. He has an equally likely chance of being assigned to work different crews every day. He can be assigned to work on crews building apartments, condominiums, or houses. If he works 18 days a month, about how many times should he expect to be assigned to the house crew? So we need to find the probabilities. So that you have a 1 in 3 chance for each, for apartment, condo, or house. So the probability of being assigned to the house crew is going to be 1/3. So now we need to set up and solve our proportion. So we have 1 out of 3 is how many out of 18? Well, if we multiply our denominators by 6, we have to multiply our numerators by 6, and 1 times 6 is 6. So he can expect to be assigned to the house crew about 6 out of 18 times. So, number 2. During a raffle drawing, half of the ticket holders will receive a prize. The winners are equally likely to win one of the 3 prizes: a book, a gift certificate to a restaurant, or a movie ticket. If there are 300 ticket holders, predict the number of people who will win a movie ticket. So you have to do the same thing that you did up here. You have to set up your proportions, and then when you solve, you should end up getting 50. If you didn't, go back and check your work and see if maybe you didn't set up your proportion correctly. So number 3, in Mr. Jawarani's, I can't pronounce that, we're just going to make it up, Mr. J's first period math class, we could call him Jablonski, like our co-teacher. There are 9 students with hazel eyes, 10 students with brown eyes, 7 students with blue eyes, and 2 students with green eyes. Mr. J picks a student at random. Which color eye is a student most likely to have, and explain? Well, the probability of getting hazel eyes is 9 out of 28. Probability of brown is 10 out of 28. Probability of blue is 7 out of 28. And probability of green is 2 out of 28. So brown eyes would definitely have the most likely to happen because there are more students with brown eyes in the class. Okay, last one, essential question. How do you make predictions using theoretical probability? Well, what do? We found and compared the probabilities, or we set up a proportion or an equation. Either way works just as well. All you needed was a simple explanation of what you did throughout this unit. So, if you struggled on this, make sure you request a workshop and you let me know that you are having difficulties so that we can get you on the right track before you have your quiz, or your test, excuse me. Y'all have a great day. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks.